Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, what I will show you is, in the earlier video, if you remember, we had seen a basic tower crane movement. Now in this video, we'll create multiple object animation for tower crane, and we'll connect those to the task. So let's go back to animation and let's get rid of this timeliner for now. Let's expand this a little bit so we can see these names properly. Now we had created this one animation for tower crane. So what we can do is we can now create multiple animation or multiple small ones. So let's select this. Once this is selected, go to tower crane scene, right click and say add animation set from current selection, and let's call it TC1. Okay, once that is done, what you want to do is you want to uncheck the other one, then go to the next one, and let's click on rotate animation set. When gizmo appears, let's bring it to the right spot. It's perfect. So let's say you want to create a small or a short movement, a short animation of this tower crane as TC1. So let's capture a keyframe here and let's move this keyframe to somewhere here, so some 34 seconds. And in this duration, you want this tower crane to move like this, okay? And you want to capture keyframe again and stay there for some time and capture keyframe again. So you just want to do this one type of movement and you can stop it. So when you click on it, it's just gonna run to that one type of movement and you can attach this to a task type. So let's stop it for now. Let's go back to this selection, go back to tower crane, right click, add animation set from current selection, and let's call it TC2. Let's uncheck the other one. Let's go to TC2 and let's capture a keyframe and let's bring in time frame to 20 seconds. And let's say in this 20 seconds you want this tower crane to move in the opposite direction, like that. Capture a keyframe again, move it here and stay here for some time and capture a keyframe again. Once that is done, go back here, go to tower crane, add animation set from current selection. Let's call it TC3. Uncheck the other one, capture a keyframe, and let's go here and let's move this tower crane this way in these many seconds. Capture a keyframe, go here, stop for some time, and let's say you want it to move again like this. Capture a keyframe. So we have created this TC1, TC2, TC3. Similarly, you can create multiple animations for this pickup truck. So once this is done, let's go back to our timeliner and let me expand this so we can see that. Let's get rid of total cost and let's bring in animation so we can see the full name of the animation. So when tower crane is rotating here, what you want to do is, if you want to just play this TC1, just one short moment, you can do that. And for the next task, if you want to play the next one, you can do that. And then when it goes to, let's say, exterior walls or staircase, or let's say interior walls here, you want to repeat TC2, you can do that. And I'm just making it up. Over here, you want to repeat TC3, you want to repeat TC1, you want to repeat pickup truck movement, you want to repeat pickup truck movement again. So you can create those multiple animation and you can assign them. Once that is done, I'm still not using the viewpoint animation because it won't zoom in, zoom out. there's something wrong here. So I think I messed up on this animator. Let's go back to animator. Let's get rid of this. And let's try to play these animations and see if this is working. Let's go to, let's play this one, the third one that we had created. Yeah, see, this is the one that is messed up. So let's stop it and let's delete it. So let's go ahead and delete this. And let's create another one. So create a different animation set. Let's call it TC. I don't want to call it TC2 because it might capture the wrong one. Let's call it TC5. Enter. And now you can actually move the gizmo to the right place. Let's go to the top view. Let's capture a keyframe here. Let's move it. And let's capture a keyframe. Capture a keyframe. Then move it back. So hopefully this should work now. Once this is done, so we had created TC5. So let's go back to our timeliner. Task. So TC4 is there. TC5. Let's select TC5 to make sure if it is working properly. TC5. Okay, once you're selected, let's simulate it. And hopefully it should work now. Yeah, it's working. So, make sure that your gizmo is rightly aligned to the axis of the tower. If you really want your this boom to perfectly rotate at the center of this tower. So it is just, I'll stop here, but that we can create those multiple smaller animation and we can assign those or attach those to these different tasks. Thanks for watching.